Hello students, today we'll study laws of exponent, and you can see here on the screen x raised to the power 5. What is x here? The x is called the base and 5 is called the exponent, and we read it as x raised to the power 5. Let us take an example, 2 raised to the power 5. What does that mean? That 2 is to be multiplied how many times? 5 times. We have multiplied it 5 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 is the answer. This we have studied in our previous classes also. See the video carefully to understand the laws of exponent. That is going to help you to solve your exercises. The first law of exponent is product rule. Product rule says that when the bases are same, x raised to the power a, and this dot is for multiplication. The dot here is for multiplication. X raised to the power a multiplied by x raised to the power b is equal to x raised to the power a plus b. We add the exponents. We take the base as common and add the exponents. Now we can see the example on the screen. X raised to the power 3. Once again I repeat, the dot is for multiplication. X raised to the power 4 is equal to x raised to the power 3 plus 4. We add the exponent and we get x raised to the power 7 as the answer. Let us expand it a little more. X raised to the power 3 means what? X is being multiplied, you can see here, 3 times. And 4 means x raised to the power 4 means what? X is being multiplied 4 times. And if you count all x, they are coming what? X raised to the power 7. This is how we derive the product law of exponent. Now let us see one more example here. X raised to the power 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 7. So x raised to the power, x is the common base, minus 3 plus 7 because we are multiplying both. So the answer comes to be x raised to the power 4. The next law is quotient rule. As the name suggests, quotient, we are dividing it. So x raised to the power a divided by x raised to the power b. We take x as common and subtract the exponents a minus b. Like see here on the screen, x raised to the power 4 upon x raised to the power 3. Now what is common here? The common here is the base x. And then we are subtracting. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So when there is a quotient rule, we subtract it and keep on writing the numbers. We can expand it a little more. X raised to the power 4 means what? X multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x upon x raised to the power 3 means what? X multiplied by x multiplied by x. So you can see here 3 x's are cancelled and 1 is left. So this is how we get that x raised to the power 1. Now let us see one more example. X raised to the power 4 upon x raised to the power 7. Again the base is same, x. We subtract the exponents, 4 minus 7. And when we subtract 4 minus 7, we get what? X raised to the power minus 3. Now to make it positive, we reciprocal it. 1x, the hidden exponent here is what? The hidden exponent here is 1. So we reciprocal it. We make it what? 1 upon x raised to the power 3 and make the exponent as positive. The next is power rule. As you can see on the screen, x raised to the power a whole bracket b. Whenever it is like that, we have to multiply the powers. Now let us see the example. X raised to the power 2 whole bracket 3. We multiply the power 2 into 3 and it becomes 6. Let us expand it a little more to understand what is power law. X raised to the power 2 whole bracket 3 means what? X raised to the power 2 is written how many times? 3 times, because the power here is what? 3. Now x raised to the power 2, because there is a multiplication sign in between all, we need to add the exponents as we have studied in the product law. When we add the exponent, again we get x raised to the power 6. This is how we are getting the power rule. The next is what? Any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. Like x raised to the power 5 upon x raised to the power 5. You can see on the screen. 5 minus 5 is what? 0, because we are dividing it. So we have to subtract the powers. So we are subtracting and getting 1. Now why we are getting 1? Let us see a little bit here. You can see here x raised to the power 5 means x is to be multiplied 5 times. We have done that. And denominator also x is to be written 5 times. And what is, we cancel all. And we get what? 1 as the answer. Let us take one more example. 2 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 3. What does that mean? This means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. These all 2 can cancel and 2 ones are 2. So the answer comes to be what? 1. So this is how we get the power law, that when any number is raised to the power 0 is going to give us what? 1. The next is what? A raised to the power any number raised to the power 1 is going to give you what? The number itself. Suppose we have 2 raised to the power 1. This is equal to 2. 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to 3. 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5. Any number raised to the power 1 gives you the number, same number. Fine. Then the next one is x raised to the power minus n. Now this is a negative exponent. How to convert negative to positive? Once in the previous one law I explained that we reciprocal it. Here the hidden denominator is what? 1. The hidden denominator is 1. So we reciprocal it. 1 upon x raised to the power n. Let us see the example. 3 upon 4 raised to the power. Here the power is a negative exponent. We reciprocal it. We have made it what? 4 upon 3. Reciprocal means what? Making the denominator numerator and numerator as the denominator. And then we have made, after reciprocaling, the power as positive. So whenever a negative exponent can be made positive by reciprocaling the fraction and making the power positive. And the last one is where base are different and the powers are same. Here on the screen you can see the bases are different. Here the base is a and here the base is b, but the powers are same. And what are the powers? N. So a multiplied by b raised to the power n. You can see the example here. 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3. Here the powers are same, 3, but the bases are different. So we take the base as common here. We take the base as common here. 2 into 3 whole bracket 3, and 6. 2 into 3 is what? 6 raised to the power 3. If you solve it, you get 216. Now let us elaborate this a little more by taking 2 raised to the power 3. What do you get by 2 raised to the power 3? 2 into 2 into 2, and you get what? 8 there. And 3 raised to the power 3 is going to give you 3 into 3 into 3. And that is you are going to get 27. And when you multiply 8 multiplied by 27, you are again going to get 216. These are all laws of exponent. I hope you understood it. See the video twice at least to understand things, so that you are able to solve the questions in the exercises very properly. Thank you.